Ever feel like someone's posts are just not your vibe on Blue Sky? Don't worry, I'll show you how to block them in just a few simple steps so you can have a more enjoyable experience. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Blue Sky Social. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Blue Sky Social app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, search for or navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by tapping the search icon at the bottom and typing the username, or by scrolling through your feed. Once you're on their profile page, look for the three horizontal dots in the right-hand side of your screen. Tap on it to open the options menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see the option to block the user. Tap Block Account to proceed. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to block this person. Confirm by tapping Yes or Block. Once confirmed, the person will be blocked, meaning they will no longer be able to interact with you or see your posts. The block option will now change to unblock in case you want to reverse the action later. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Blue Sky. Now you can enjoy a more curated feed and a safer online experience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.